What is up, you guys? So as you can see behind me, I am at Universal Studios Hollywood for the premiere of the Dark Arts projection show on Hogwarts Castle. Now I have my Slytherin colors on because it's gonna get spooky, and I have my wand. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're gonna check out the show. And the entire night. There's a full-on itinerary. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna get spooky, so stay tuned. I'm also here with Jessica from Healthy Mouse and Tiff.
Just eating some potatoes.
Just eating some potatoes. Wait, let's look at your dark outfit. She said dark arts who? So we are currently in the plaza area for the event, and they have full buffet set up. Got some food, got some salad, some salmon, chicken. There's this fried mac and cheese with lobster inside, which is wild, and some potatoes. I'm actually more excited because once we go in, there's going to be butterbeer and a crap ton of Harry Potter desserts. So I'm excited for that. I also get to rock my Harry Potter bag from Loungefly that I got. They hooked me up with, so I'm super excited for that. And normally I'm a Hufflepuff, but I am wearing my Slytherin colors today because it is the Dark Arts. And I had to stop on Amazon and get some dark mark tattoos. All right, time to put on the dark mark. This better work. Magic! Magic! I'm gonna just pour one.
No, you don't want to get it like soaking wet. Oh my gosh. What was your childhood, Patrick?
Let it live!
All right. You want to test? Test just a little bit of it.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Ah! It's a little crooked, but it's fine. Wow. Super spoopy. I'm officially a Death Eater. Come at me, Mr. Potter. Look who else is here. It's like the entire Disney community. Don't tell Disney.
The real who's.
We're at Universal. Shh. We have eaten, and now we are in the line to get into the actual Wizarding World of Harry Potter. To eat more, because apparently there's desserts and rides and all that stuff. Now, I had to hide my dark mark because it got really cold and it's very windy, and I'm worried now that the wind might destroy some of the drones. So hopefully that doesn't happen, and hopefully the drones actually go off, because it'd be really cool to see. There's drones. Spoiler. Spoiler. Hello, hello. Hello. We are in. It's poppin' in Hogsmede, I can tell you that. Hello. What's your owl's name?
It's Duke.
Duke? Yeah. The owl, wow. What's up, Duke? So first things first, we immediately just grabbed a table because these seem to be the most coveted things in the park at the moment. Everyone's just like throwing their stuff on all the tables because there is desserts happening back there. And immediately the butterbeer line got so long. But I'm still gonna wait in because it's butterbeer and it's free. So I went over to the butterbeer line, which got extremely long, but as soon as I walked over to Hogshead, a lady walked out with a full tray of them. So I scooped the first one up and I walked away. Now that's magic. Here are some of the desserts they have out. There are mini Java cookies, some potted butterbeer cream, and then of course you have your normal coffee, hot water, tea, all that good stuff. Now we are heading to ride Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey because Jessica's never been on it before.
And I've been a pass holder for years and I've never been on
Which is insane to me. It's so good.
I can't wait.
Here we go. This is honestly amazing at night. What the heck?
Double, double toilet trouble. Something wicked this way
That was pretty awesome. They had the frog choir actually in the line of Forbidden Journey, which I've never seen done before. It was like our own like private little concert. It was great. Now we're obviously in line for Forbidden Journey. No wait. So everyone rode the ride, but I am in child swap because I have my tripod that I can't bring on, so that is my child. But I've never been in child swap on Forbidden Journey, and they have
They made us get off the ride.
Oh my God.
My purse was too obstructed. I'm leaving it with you, please.
Amazing. You can put it with my other children.
We had to get off.
But they're playing Harry Potter movies, which is fun. Here's also what the exit of Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey looks like if you've never been on the ride or seen footage. It's basically like a conveyor belt with these bench-like ride vehicles that's on a robotic arm, and it kind of like lifts off. There's 4 people per seat. It's pretty magical. Also on the top here, there are some floating candles. Beautiful. What did you think? What did you think?
It was great.
It's so good.
Yeah, it was good. I love the transitions in between like the screens and the rooms. I was like, whoa, there's a dimension. It was good.
Yeah. Are these exclusive shirts?
These are our shirts that we just got in today, and they are exclusive for the event. They have our event dates right at the bottom.
Oh wow, super cool. Now we're gonna ride Flight of the Hippogriff. Now when we came in, it seemed like there was a lot of people, but there's no one here. No one's riding rides, at least. I don't know, everyone's just like taking pictures, but we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna ride some rides. Buckbeak. Look at her.
Oh, so nice.
I wanna watch it. Can they like stop it on the hill? Can we just watch it from here?
Yes.
Cause that would be great. Magic. Wow, what a flight.
Let's go again.
I'm going to destroy you. After tonight, no one will ever again question my powers.
All right, we saw it. It was amazing.
It was so much better than the Christmas one, even like the holiday
It's so
one.
spooky. It's spooky.
I was like, ooh, it's Halloween.
If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put a little annotation to go watch it. But I loved it. Unfortunately, there was no drones because of the wind, so we'll have to come back and see it. But that's it. Now we're gonna go get our gift. I'm gonna guess it's another wand, but we'll see. Maybe it's a spoopy wand.
Trust me.
It'll be Tip's first wand.
My first one.
Her first one. We got our gift, but we don't know what it is. We think it's a poster for sure.
A very big poster of who knows what.
Probably the Dark Arts promo art. And a book?
Notebook.
Tom Riddle's diary?
Oh. It's like for the Dark Arts.
Oh, Dark
and
Arts
it's all
notebook.
embossed.
Cool. I mean,
don't
it's
get
in a
a
wand bag,
but-
so they tricked us.
I still have one.
We'll get you a wand, babe.
Like,
Well, that is it. I have currently this like curly hair thing going on. I don't know what's happening, but there it is. That was the Dark Arts premiere event. So much fun. Thanks to Universal for inviting us out. That's it. Stay tuned for more content. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see y'all real soon. Bye! Also check out Tiff.
hey, thanks, bye.